The beautiful beginning. Here, every morning begins with hope, joy, and curiosity. Where every child is valued, heard, and understood. Where every child discovers the beauty of learning about world. Where every subject becomes an adventure and every child is a part of it. Here, success is not only about winning, it's about growing together. शाळा म्हणजे फक्त शिक्षण नाही, ती आहे आत्मविश्वासाची पहिली पायरी आणि अभिनवमध्ये ही पायरी मजबूत घडवली जाते.